Hi guys, welcome again to Mosaic Heart Home. I'm Eva, and if you're just joining us, this channel is going to just follow our family. It's just me, my husband, and my little girl, Arwen, and she has a form of Down syndrome called Mosaic Down syndrome. So hopefully I get to put on a lot of content about gardening and just different foods that work out for her. It's a very big deal to find out the best kinds of foods that work for Arwen because of low muscle tone. And because of that, she processes foods quite differently than maybe some other kids. Because of the pandemic, I definitely had a fire under me to desire to grow my own food and provide for Arwen a whole lot more and for our family a whole lot more, and just to eat healthier overall. This year was the first year I started planting zucchini, which is typically a summer crop, but you might find it strange for me to be talking about zucchini here now in the fall, but there is a method to the madness. So let me just show you, like the title promised, my 5-pound zucchini. It is quite a bugger. And yes, I did weigh it on the scale in my bathroom. So it is definitely verifiably 5 pounds. Today I would like to collect some seeds and just show you guys how many seeds it has. So the reason why I waited all the way till the fall to talk about this zucchini is because the secret to my success, even as a newish gardener, started way back in the fall before I even planted the zucchini seeds. So some of you may still have your Halloween pumpkins or pumpkins out on your front porch or on your deck just for autumn decoration. That's the big secret, that I just use the pumpkin from Halloween and put it to use in my garden bed. I highly suggest that you try this tip. Just take a little bit and maybe chop it up into a few chunks and bury it in the soil where you plan to plant something next year. And time I've learned, is definitely a friend in the gardening world. The more you let something decompose and just really break down, the more it will condition the soil. With the pumpkin and the mulch and some of the compost that I had built up over a couple years, 2 or 3 years, it made a really easy job for this newbie. So yeah, let's dig into this 5-pound zucchini and check out the treasure it holds. Hey guys, I also wanted to add, when I harvested this sucker, I just had it sit on my counter for a while. So I think it's been like a month. The skin is so thick that it didn't decompose at all, just sitting out on my kitchen counter. So just wanted to let you guys know that. It's almost like, it almost just feels like a cantaloupe or a watermelon, because it just seems so tough and, you know, hardy. So let's try to get into this real quick. Like my Chinese butcher knife. It's probably not the best best way to cut it, should have cut it probably long ways because I'm getting some seeds. Oh, there's a seed. Look at that. Look at that. Doesn't look like I ruined any seeds. Let's see. Okay, pray for me. Go. I'm on my back deck right now, so I apologize for any vibrations here. Okay. Wow, okay. So just real quick, seeds here. And this, as y'all can notice the color, it's a little bit of a buttery yellow. It's a little bit darker and warmer than the white flesh that I was accustomed to for the other smaller zucchinis. And by the way, zucchini worked very well for Arwen and her system. It's probably going to be how I refer to, well, I don't know, I might just still openly talk about constipation, but there you go. It's just one of those things. With Down syndrome, that's what is just part of our lives, you know? Wow. So there's going to be quite a lot of seeds. I wasn't thinking of cooking the flesh, honestly. I was just gonna let it decompose back to the earth, but it's almost easier just using my fingers. But I don't know, we'll see. Like, it does kind of smell almost pumpkinish. So I looked up some research on the nutrients that pumpkin contains, and it contains a high amount of phosphorus and potassium, both which both are highly necessary for a plant's a lot of things, structure and root growth and just overall strength. For me, I love checking out the perfect plant, flower or vegetable. I've just really gotten a love for it over, especially starting from last year. And I really love, like, you guys know how people do unboxings. I like to do these seed videos where I just love to see just how God provides, the provision of God. So yeah, there's not much in this splice here. Not too many here. Like 1, 2. Okay. And then this one. Again, not too many. I I think that's it. This is the end piece. This is where I cut it off the plant. And that's it. That's all the seeds. I'll show you guys real quick. Quite a few seeds here. And so I'll just save them and let y'all know how many seeds I get out of that humongous 5-pound zucchini. Hopefully you guys can try out my suggestion if you still have your fall pumpkin, and yeah, just recycle it and put it into your garden, and hopefully you have the same result and can maybe grow your own 5-pound vegetable. Okay. Alright, please like and subscribe, and I hope to talk to y'all very soon next time. Bye!